Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft is doing something that I think it should expand to a lot more, including Windows. It has decided in a new version of Skype to remove all ads. There used to be ads in the Skype app, and of course, Microsoft has tried so many times to send people to Teams and try to have Skype, deprecated and go away, and they've never been able to do so. And Skype is still there and still updated now. So the Microsoft announced that users should be happy that they've decided to completely remove any ads from Skype. It will be ad-free from now. And I don't know what decision or what big decision comes behind this, but I think they should apply this to every other platform, every other things that they do, any apps, any programs that they have, including Windows that shouldn't have crappy stuff to suggest things to us when you go to the Start menu or even the Settings app. It just creates a bad experience. I think it degrades the Windows experience in general to have all of that happening. So the fact that Skype, for some reason, they've decided to remove ads, I think it should be followed. I think it should be something that also is within Windows. We shouldn't see, unless you have, look, I have an active subscription for these two things. Okay, maybe that's fine. But if you don't, they shouldn't be showing up and kind of, suggesting things or trying to tell you, oh, you should do this or that or install this, including also in the Start menu in Windows 11, and of course some other things in Windows 10. So Microsoft, do the same thing with Windows. Remove all apps, all ads. Sorry, we don't want that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.